Hi everyone and welcome. Today we're going to be cooking up a fillet of salmon. This is a little over a 2 pound Atlantic fresh salmon bought from the seafood market. And what we're going to do is cook it in the oven. And also along with it we're going to have some potato wedges, which I have already cut up. I have oregano, rosemary, salt, pepper, garlic, onion powder, and garlic powder. And for this we have already some salmon seasoning that we put on it. And we're also going to put a buttery garlic and lemon juice gravy over top of it. But first we're going to put the lemons on. We have some sliced lemons, and we're going to put some lemons on it. Like so. It'll help give it some flavor. And now we're just going to pour this buttery garlic gravy on here, sauce I have. And that'll definitely give us some flavor. Alright, this is a pretty easy recipe. Then we're going to just wrap this up in some aluminum foil. We already have our oven preheating. It's at 375, and we're going to cook this for about 20 minutes. And while that's doing that, we're going to put our potato wedges, we're going to cook them in the air fryer. That's going to be at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes. So these should hopefully, both of these, be getting done around the same time. And when they are, we will be right back. Alright guys, we're back, and our potato wedges are done and our salmon is done. And when it was done cooking, we got the internal temperature of the salmon at about 145, and then we stuck it on the top rack and let it boil on the boiler for another 4 minutes. So here's what we look like. Here is our potato wedges. Potato wedges, we put sprinkled a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top. And here is our salmon. See if y'all can get a look at that. That's looking pretty good. Alright, let's say we take a little bite of everything here. Put a little bit of our potato wedges on there. And we'll take a little bit of our meat, our fish. Oh man, this is cutting through like butter. Oh, it's just falling apart. Falling apart. You know that's good. Now let's give it a taste. Oh man, that is good. Let's give our potato wedges a taste. Look at that nice cheese on there. Oh man, this is good. Definitely give this a try. This is definitely a thumbs up, and I hope you give it a try. And if you do, give us a like, a follow, give us a comment. And as always, stay tuned for the next one. Bye for now and have a great day. God bless.